get my steps in today.
Was it us?
I think so.
Whoops. Okay. So, day 2, and what the hell? Literally just had fire alarms go off, evacuate the building. We were naked, so got dressed straight out the room. Good morning! Was it you?
No!
Are you sure?
I was already dressed.
You're pretty hot though.
I was already dressed.
Could have been you.
Smoking, am I?
Very. Not fun.
You don't present it in my house.
No. I'm not doing anything of the sort. What's your favourite part about this place?
Did you want a tour?
Yes.
Right. So, one of my favourite things about this place is how all of the fixtures are really quite vintage. Like they've got a nice, funky feel about them. Like the toilet.
Oh.
We've got a reinforced door. And also...
Hang on. Reinforced into the bathroom?
Oh, well, you can't lock yourself in case of the fire alarm. And then the tiles are really quite artfully placed.
You can kind of do some retiling yourself, I suppose, can't you?
It's like a DIY.
It's your own DIY when you come in here.
Yeah, it is. And then you've got really spacious entryway with beautiful, like, crafted skirting. I think that, you know, the pattern on that's quite nice. Lots of storage. And again, lots of storage.
If you don't like your room, you can get out of it.
You can. And just, you know, sit and meditate and think about Jesus. Yeah, it's those are a few of my favourite things.
Those are a few of my favourite things. So we're currently in Auckland and we're about to take a ferry ride across to Pine Harbour.
Where's Pine Harbour, babe?
I don't know where Pine Harbour is at all. That's why I bring her.
He's got no idea where we're going.
So we've just found out that we screwed up big time. After having waited for our ferry, it came and went. Now we're trying to get an Uber or anything that will get us to our van within the hour. All the public transport is going to take at least an hour and a half. God damn it, I'm sorry.
Fucked up. Oh good, we've got arrive in 1 minute.
Oh, okay, we're off. Yeah, selfie, sorry. I didn't use the correct terminology. So we got Kawa, we've had to grab this and basically hightail it to Waitomo, otherwise we're going to miss our glowworm tour that we've got booked this afternoon. My sponge here has absorbed all the information to do with the van. I've got absolutely no clue. It went in one ear and out the other, but that's okay because all I've got to do is drive, right?
We are 5 minutes away from the Waitomo glowworm tour. Our tour starts at 5 o'clock and we're going to be there about 7 minutes before our tour starts, which ideally we'd like to be there a smidgy earlier than that. But we've kind of had to, you know, drive with purpose.
Put down.
Yeah, without speeding, of course.
Without speeding.